Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. As we all know that things are gone online and we all require online coaching to support our examinations as well. So in this video we'll be discussing with you top 5 best online NEET coaching institution for your NEET preparation. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1 in the list of best online NEET coaching institute is Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is one of the best institute for online coaching of NEET that conducts live classes and also help in providing with a personal mentor who guides you and helps you in preparing for your NEET examination. Facility. It conducts live classes, provides study material, e-lectures and online tests as well. It also provides the best online NEET courses for betterment of all the aspirants. Now let us talk about the contact number. The contact number includes 7827048964 and the batch size in online class includes 35 to 40 students in one batch. The website for more information of this institute includes www.toppersacademy.com. At rank 2, we have Aakash Institute. The Aakash Institute is one of the top institute for online coaching in India. It conducts live classes and also provides study material for coaching. It conducts tests and helps you in your practicing for your NEET and lets you know your progress report as well. Its mentors help a lot to the student for preparing online NEET examination. This is the best coaching in which we get best online NEET courses for better preparation of NEET coaching. Now let us talk about the facility provided by the institute. The number 1 includes live classes. Then they also provide you instant doubt clarification sessions, online tests, ebooks, recorded classes, preparation for both entrance and board examination as well. The contact number of this institute is 9311402534 and the batch size includes 35 to 40 students for online classes. The website of this online institute includes digital.aakash.ac.in. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have the Hinduzone Online NEET Coaching, which is also an excellent institute. For medical examination preparation in online mode, you can definitely check with the various online needed courses available at the Hinduzone, as it is the best place for the best online NEET coaching. Now let us talk about as to why you should join this online NEET coaching. The very first reason being scientific pedagogy that blends NEET exam classroom teaching techniques with home assignments. Number 2, periodic assessment of knowledge, learning, benchmarking with the Hinduzone classroom students of different center across the country. And finally, the benefit they provide you is exclusive batches for online NEET examination preparation. Alright, now let us move towards the contact details. The contact number of this institute includes 8595907572 and 012041604241. The batch size of this institute includes 40 to 45 students for online coaching classes. The website of this institute includes thehinduzone.com. You can visit this website for more information regarding the online classes. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Ellen Online NEET Coaching Institute. It is one of the most prestigious and well-known institute in India and it provides with both online and physical classes. But due to the pandemic of COVID-19, it is conducting online classes and is very popular for its coaching as well in entire India. Now let us talk about some of the contact details of this institute and the facility they provide to you. It provides methodological learning and has competent and qualified faculty. It helps students boost their confidence and positive energy for preparation of NEET examinations. If you really want to finalize best NEET online coaching institute, you should definitely check rank 1 NEET coaching institute, which is Toppers Academy, and after that you can also look forward to second and then this the Hinduzone Coaching Institute. The contact number being 74427575575 and the batch size includes 35 to 40 students for online classes. For fee structure, you can always check the coaching website, which I'll be telling you shortly, and the website of this institute is www.ellen.ac.in. You can visit this website for more information regarding fees and also regarding the schedule of the online classes. So friends, The last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is NEET Prep Best Online NEET Coaching Institution. The facility which they provide you is comprehensive videos and top rated faculty with doubt supporting sessions and faculty members as well. Now let us talk about as to why this institute is so prestigious. Firstly, it has helped many students in achieving their dream of cracking NEET. Fifth in the list of top online NEET coaching institute is NEET Prep, and they also provide to you online coaching in a very helpful manner for every aspirant. Now let us talk about the contact details. The contact number is not mentioned specifically, but you can always visit the website of this institution for the registration purposes and knowing more about the schedule of these classes. The fee structure of this institution includes a sum of rupees 30,000 to rupees 40,000, and the batch size is 35 to 40 students for online classes. The website of this institute is www.signup.neetprep.com. So friends, these were our top 5 institutions for best online NEET coaching institution across India. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. Do check these institutions for best online NEET coaching. That will definitely help you. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.